Yeah, so my dad said, who are you going to hang around with? They think big, right? They think big. He says, Ruben, you'll feel out of place. You'll feel like you don't belong. You'll feel awkward, but force yourself to hang around those winners, because if you do, it'll rub off on you. You'll start thinking big. And when those people believe in you, you'll start believing in yourself, because you respect their opinion. And I was smart enough to do those two things, guys. Made a point to read good books, hang around people I respected. And over a period of years, I started thinking different. Years, okay? Okay? This is not like that midnight, TV pill that you take and it makes you skinny and rich at the same time. I tried it. I gained weight and I lost a bunch of money. Okay? No. Personal development takes time, but it rubs off on you. You grow, you start taking bigger risks, and then big things start happening in your life. And once in a while, you do need to come back over here, because there's always somebody in this group that's doing this. Get me out of here. And you just pull them out. I mean, you got to meet my friends. You're going to love these guys. And you bring them over here. And then you go back, right? And that's what you all do already, right? You're bringing them, moving them up. That's all it is. That's all it is. And so, anyways, I read good books, and I made it a point to hang around people I respected. And over a period of years, I started believing in myself, right? Because everybody says, believe in yourself. Oh, that sounds so good, doesn't it? It's totally worthless. I just showed you how to believe in yourself. It's what you put in here. You got to flush out that negative stuff and replace it with positive stuff. And eventually, boom, you start believing in yourself. You start believing. You start believing.